Hi, I'm Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach. And today I'm going to talk about how to make exercise a daily habit while at home. So tip number one, set a time. So you want to set a time in which you have the most energy throughout the day. So it could be the morning, afternoon, or the evenings. But you want to make sure that you bring in a lot of energy and a lot of enthusiasm when you exercise. So select the time that is best for you and stick to that specific time if possible. If you do not do that, what happens is you have a tendency to find a reason not to do it and then to put it off. So you want to make sure that you set a time in which you will exercise every day to make it a daily habit. Tip number two is that you want to start small. So what I find as being a fitness professional for over 20 years is that most people, they try to do too much too soon in the beginning. When you first start out, the most important thing is you just want to build consistency. So you want to start small. So you want to start no more than 20 to 30 minutes, and you want to do something that's low intensity, something that does not put a lot of stress on your body, okay? So if you do the opposite, you try to do something that is difficult for the body or for your body, and also maybe high intensity, what happens is that you try to do too much too quickly, and you actually become too sore and you end up quitting. Remember, the key here is that what we want to do is we want to make this into a habit forming. So you want to take it easy with all the workouts, at least in the beginning, and you want to do just 20 to 30 minutes. And by the way, if you enjoyed this series of videos, make sure that you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, okay? All right, tip number three. Tip number three is you want to make this into something, you want to do an activity that's pleasurable, something that you enjoy doing, okay? So it could be a variety of things when it comes to being active and exercising, such as jogging, walking, weight training, being on the treadmill. It could be some form of martial arts. Whatever it is, you want to select an activity that you actually will be looking forward to doing each and every day, okay? So you want to make sure that it's pleasurable. If it's something that your body does not find pleasurable, what will happen is that your conscious will associate pain with it, and you will end up quitting. So find something that's pleasurable, that you enjoy doing, and you want to make sure again that you bring a lot of enthusiasm to it as well. So those are the first three tips as far as how to make exercising into a daily habit from home. So if you enjoyed this series, make sure that again that you click on the subscribe button below, and also make comments as well. And also feel free to contact me with any additional questions or comments. So this is Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach.